Hi traders, in this video I'm going to talk about the best forex indicator that can really help you stop blowing your forex accounts. So guys, you know that many traders do not trade the market with the proper knowledge, and that results in the blowing of their MT4 or MT5, whatever they are using, and their accounts get simply blowed. So guys, always use the good indicator, use the higher time frames that can help you in your trading. So today I'm going to talk about the best forex indicator for trading that can really help you to stop blowing your accounts. So guys, I will analyze few charts and you will see the results by the indicator. And guys, before I start this video, first of all, I'm telling you that this indicator never repaints. If I am saying that it never repaints, it means that this is 100% guaranteed, and this is also mentioned on the official website. So if you want to visit the website, that is www.200forextips.com. you can find the link of the website in the description of this video below. And guys, first of all, look at on Bitcoin USD. You can see that it gives you the signals in the form of smart buy and smart sell. So previous signal was the sell signal, the smart sell on Bitcoin USD 1 hour chart, and you can see we have a very big long ride on Bitcoin USD. And now, and if you look at the current signal, I'm going to zoom in the picture, then you can see that I have the smart buy signal on Bitcoin. So it looks like that the market has a very good chance because it is at the discounted price at the moment. So it has a very good chance that the market can go up from this 60,000 area, and this signal can be a valid signal. So the smart buy is running on Bitcoin USD. At next, I would like to throw some light on gold. So guys, look at gold. So I have signal from 3rd of November that we are going to be into the upward direction on the gold. So this is the daily chart. So guys, mostly I consult the higher time frame so that I should avoid the noise of the market onto the smaller time frames. So the signals are more accurate on the higher time frames, and you will expect less signals as compared to the smaller time frames. So for example, look at here on this candle, it has pointed us with the buy signal on gold, and you can see the gold is going up from many days, and I am going to give these words already from many days in my Telegram channel, in my WhatsApp groups, that gold is bullish, bullish and bullish. I was talking about this thing from many days, and I have seen many traders on the Facebook groups and the other platforms that they are still selling gold, which was not right, because if you look at the price action, basically the market is going into the upward pattern. Then why there is need to sell the gold? So people they speculate the market in this way. They do not think with the price action approach. They do not have the idea what's going on the perfect indicators on the higher time frames, and they become the victim of the volatility and the noise that you can receive on the 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart. So it will not going to help you in that situation. So guys, always try to become a better trader by looking at the higher time frames, because the higher time frames will give you less noise, and you can trade the higher time frames even with the smaller lot sizes as well. So gold is still bullish, and when the signal gets changed, then I will definitely update on YouTube. And if you are not if I'm not making any videos on YouTube for the longer period of time, then guys, you can check my signals in the Telegram group, because I throw some signals in the Telegram group and the WhatsApp. At next, guys, I have already highlighted about Euro USD that we are into the downtrend, and guys, you can see, you can check my previous video that was posted on YouTube. We were somewhere here, and now you can see the market is already more down on Euro USD, and that's what I have highlighted few days ago on YouTube. So watch my previous video, and guys, you can see the smart sell is already running, and this indicator does not repaint, and that's helped you. This really helps you in stop blowing your accounts. So for example, guys, look at this area. We have received some random signals on the 4-hour chart. So once you get this long signal, if you have received any loss on this area, then this loss can also be recovered by going into the long ride. So this is the quality of this indicator, that it gives you the best possible entries on any pair. Okay, at next, let's talk about the move that we have seen today on Great Britain Pound USD 1 hour. If you look at the signal from the indicator, the smart buy was already highlighted today on this candle, and you can see sweetly the market was simply following the upward trend, and this is the 1 hour picture on Great Britain Pound USD. So it was very easy to trade Great Britain Pound USD today. If you had this indicator in your MT4, then you must be in a very good profit. At next, you can see that the USDCAD, how well it has performed. Very easy signal, not much noise, very easy. The previous signal was smart sell on 4 hour. This is the quality when you are consulting the higher time frames. Look, we have a drop and then the signal gets changed that we are into the smart buy now, and you can see the market has already gone into the upward direction. So that was very easy to trade USDCAD, and those subscribers who get the indicator from me, I always advise them to go for the higher time frames for the best results. At next, guys, if you look on USDCHF, then you can see the previous signal was the smart buy. If I zoom in the picture here, you can see somewhere here, here you can see the text below here, smart buy, and then you can see the market was simply going up and the arrows were guiding you into the upward direction. Now guys, we have received the smart sell signal on the 1 hour, and it has already gone down, but be careful because this is the uptrend. Again, the market can go into the further upward trend. At next, guys, AUDJPY, the previous signal was smart buy, and now if you look at the signal, that's going to be smart sell, and the market is already going into the downward pressure. So guys, if you had this indicator, that was very simple. You can trade even with the 0.01 lot size, you can trade with the smaller lots, and you can check the signals on the daily 4 hour. They are very good. Use this indicator on the higher time frames on the volatile pairs, and you will definitely love this indicator. At next, guys, EURUSD. I have already highlighted in my previous videos that we are running into the sell. We had the smart sell signal. Look how massively the market is going down on the daily chart. That's what I have already highlighted earlier, and you know that the previous up move was very strong on EURUSD, but later on when the smart sell signal was appeared, the market has followed the downward pressure. At last, guys, I would like to throw our daily signal on this YouTube, so you can see this is the Great Britain Pound JPY. We have the smart buy signal, and definitely and hopefully I am expecting that the market should go into the upward direction. So guys, this is the gift signal from my side. So overall, it depends on you that how you want to trade. Always please make sure that when you are trading forex, then you must trade at your own risk. However, this is the signal that I have given from the indicator. That's the smart buy signal based on the daily chart, and I'm very hopeful with the results that after few days we will see that the market will trend into the upward direction. So it could be a very good signal. So guys, it's very easy to trade with this indicator, and to be honest, if you don't have this indicator, then must book the license of this indicator, must book its copy. You can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. Website is www.200forexpips.com. Everything is mentioned in the description of this video. You can also join our the Telegram channel, WhatsApp groups. All of the links are provided in the description of the video below. Moreover, guys, if you want the best coaching that you need without indicators, without expert advisors, we also have expert advisors mentioned on the website. We also are providing this indicator. And guys, the best thing is the price action coaching. Go and visit my website for the price action coaching. I'm telling you again, that's the best service, and that's my best seller for the price action coaching. Rest depends on you that which thing suits you the best. So looking forward to your inquiries. Thank you very much. Please like this video, subscribe the YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.